How to disable WeCash notifications. So in order to disable, first open settings on your Android phone, then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps, then tap on the first option. Here you'll see an option called manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Simply tap on manage apps, then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in WeCash. Then scroll down until you see an option called notifications, which is right below other permissions. Then tap on notifications, and from here you can simply disable it, and it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.